Managing your finances can often feel like an impossible mountain to climb. But a wise companion can help navigate the complex world of credit scores. Understanding how your accounts work together is the first step to success. Simply inputting your data allows the system to start protecting your future. Setting a defensive buffer ensures you never miss a critical payment window. Real-time alerts instantly identify risks before they become major problems. Your private information stays in your hands where it truly belongs. Securely exporting your data gives you total control over your digital life. Keeping everything updated turns financial chaos into a balanced machine. Now you can move forward with the peace of mind you have always deserved.